another crypto video.
Oh yeah, it's that kind of time, guys.
Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on another crypto video. So it's just Jacob Crypobury over here. We're going to talk about Filecoin today. Just hit 500 subs. Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you very much. New users and current users currently subscribe to the channel. I know you're coming back and it's nice to see you returning. We are doing at 1,000 subscribers a $100 Ethereum giveaway. So do make sure to subscribe to the channel for your chance to potentially win. It will be a completely random number generation, and you don't want to miss out on a potential freebie. So 1 in 1,000, and that's your chance of winning. So please do subscribe and let your friends know. So let's have a little look at Filecoin, shall we? Filecoin is a decentralized storage network designed to store humanity's most important information. So basically it's a data coin, really strong utility, massive potential for network growth. And yeah, this is one that exploded during the bull run. Oh yes. Currently we're sitting at rank 23. We're down 13.6, trading at $63. Market cap is 7 billion, and the market cap dominance is 0.35%. So this is one that could potentially boom in the future, depending on who speaks about it, their marketing, and the amount of users that are actually using the network itself. So if we have a little look, we can see that prior to this, the first Wyckoff phase over here, we can see that we dropped below 0.786. So we came over here. This is our nice rectangle of accumulation. So we produce this cup shape basically, and we come under the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, and that's where we have this neckline here that we finally broke. We consolidated, had another kind of descending triangle over here, and then boom, another impulse up, and then we corrected, symmetrical triangle, and yeah, basically all of that stuff happened. Where did my RSI go? How dare you run away from me? Right, there we go. So on the daily chart at the moment, guys, we are typically looking quite bearish, like we've entered a downtrend of some kind. I've marked 41 pounds as a support level and 53 as a resistance level. If we look at the RSI, we're just sitting at 40, so we're not actually oversold just yet. So there could be more potential downside movement. If we take this swing low to this swing high, we can see that we're just connected with 0.786, and in the prior correction that we just had, we did come below 0.786. So it's possible that we can even come down another 10, 20, 30% maximum before I would get too worried. So yeah, that could definitely happen. Don't rule that out. If we quickly just look at some of the resistances, from the swing high to swing low, we can see that basically this level here, just from where we were sold off before, that consolidation zone, that previous support level is now a resistance. So that's where we need to see a bounce back if we can possibly get there for Filecoin. If we hop into the 4-hour, you can see once again that there we're looking quite oversold, so we might get an imminent kind of bounce to the upside. You can see that we're just literally consolidating in this kind of bear flag kind of shape, so it would suggest a continuation to the downside if we do break the support level at 44 pounds. However, if we break this resistance at 47 pounds, then there's a very big potential that we could come all the way back up to test that Fibonacci level over here and potentially see a 13% long. However, do keep in mind, you must be pragmatic about this, that we can still see continuation to the downside. All it takes is a bit of bad news, and like I say, very possible to see another 15% correction. But if I do see us fall lower in this kind of accumulation zone that I've marked out, I will definitely be packing my bag with a coin of this utility and strength. So where can we look in terms of our ultimate price targets? So I don't want to get too bullish too soon, but if we do get this kind of sideways trading that we need, so if we kind of just trade sideways, let's say we do break to the upside of this, fantastic, we come to test this resistance, then we fall back again, but then we come back up slowly, we get to this resistance, we pop back through. This is just basically speculation, and we get back to this previous resistance over here. Let's say it takes until the end of October, another 6 weeks. We get that sideways accumulation, and then we get this spring to create an impulse wave to the upside, just like we had. And we know when Filecoin pumps, it pumps really hard. Yeah, it pumps hard, and don't get me wrong, it dumps just as hard. But you can time it and get a fantastic investment and ROI. So what I can see happening potentially is that we come up and we get to £99, eventually £140, and then we're kind of back in bull mode, and things would be looking really, really good for Filecoin. If we hop into the 30-minute chart right now, of course we had our sell-off, we fell out of this symmetrical triangle over here, so now we're just literally in pure consolidation. Just got to wait for this to play out, guys. This kind of bear flag, as you can see, we've come up, tested this resistance, we got backed off. There's not really a lot of volume going on, it's declining. So that could also suggest that we might see a further sell-off because we have this declining volume over here. But alternatively, we could get a pump to the upside. So it's really all speculation. Just try and make sure you are very, very risk adverse and control your losses by placing stop losses. So for me, I'm going to wait for this breakout potentially to the upside. I think it may happen, but the weekend is coming and volume is usually low anyway. But by Monday, it should be confirming the path that Bitcoin is going to take next, along with the altcoins that will be dragged with it. Like I say, this is a fantastic project, and it pumps and dumps very hard, but it's got a great price history. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Do you think that we are going to come lower, you know, at 10% correction, or do you think we're going to get this breakout on this consolidation phase back up to £53? Because we are under the moving averages, and it's usually a good time in an uptrend to potentially place along, but I'm a bit cautious this time around, so I'm holding fire and I'm waiting to see what will happen with Filecoin. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I do think we will see $100+ again quite soon, but not yet, not immediately. So this could potentially be fantastic long entry opportunity, because like I say, look where we are. We're coming towards that 0.786 Fibonacci. We're not there yet. So that's why we have to keep in mind that maybe we're going to correct further. Maybe we don't, and we just come straight up to £52 and see a nice 15% increase. So fingers crossed. Let's see how this one goes. Cheers.